The next couple of days, a lot of kids going back to school. Michelle has all the details.
It is going to be uncomfortably hot and making us prone to some heat illness if you don't take some precautions working outdoors or spending the day outside. Some of those sort of common sense precautions you can take is to make sure you're drinking lots of water and staying hydrated, wearing loose fitting, lightweight clothing, and take some extra breaks on a day like today. Hurricane barrier camera over Providence and crossing the I-way. We're quiet this morning and we'll stay that way through the day. No showers or thunderstorms in the forecast. Narragansett was packed yesterday. Guessing it'll be a busy day today as well. We do have our threat tracker elevated for the next 3 days. Today and tomorrow, it's due to the heat and humidity. We have that heat advisory and in fact feel like temperatures, the heat index up around 100. It will be breezy both days, and we'll see that again on Wednesday. And then on Thursday, not only are we still hot and humid, but we also have an isolated thunderstorm that'll be trying to pass through as a cold front comes through. Now that front is going to bring some much cooler air our way for the end of the week and heading into Labor Day weekend. Live Doppler radar is quiet across Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts. Warm start to the day, lower 70s in Newport as well as Tiverton. 70 degrees in Cumberland right now, and it stayed warm and muggy through the night. Oakland Beach and Warwick at 75 degrees right now. In Smithfield, starting off the morning in the low 70s. The heat index as we head into the late morning will already start to climb into the 90s. This is an important number today because it's what it feels like, the toll this heat and humidity takes on your body. So by midday, we're in the mid and upper 90s for the heat index. Even in Newport and New Bedford, we will get a sea breeze that develops along the shoreline in the afternoon. So while the heat index inland will be around 100 degrees or so, we're looking at the heat index at the shore in the lower 90s in Newport, mid 90s in New Bedford. And even at 6 o'clock this evening, it is still going to be very hot. And the reason why it feels so uncomfortable is the dew point. Those dew points are going to be oppressive Tuesday, Wednesday, and then cooling off for Thursday and Friday. High pressure going to be anchored 2 hours south in that position. Brings in that hazy, hot, and humid air. Just a couple of isolated showers and thunderstorms up across northern New England. We've got a little bit of that cloud cover streaming through. Overall, a mostly sunny day. That hot, humid, hazy air pumped in on that southwest breezy wind. We're going to be watching the approach of this cold front. It'll come through Chicago later today and then work its way further to the east, passing through southeastern New England on Thursday. That's the one that's going to spell some relief for us. But until then, it'll be warming up quickly today. 9 o'clock this morning into the 80s. Those temperatures in the midday hours into the lower 90s. And these are, again, the actual air temperatures. So at the coastline between 80 and 85 in the afternoon, 90 in Wickford, close to 90 Hope Valley. Lower 90s in West Warwick today. Low and mid 90s in Woonsocket, East Providence, back to school for you. And your temperatures, one of the hottest days of the summer, 95 degrees. The heat index up to around 100 in Seekonk. As you head back to school today, same story, middle 90s with the heat index around 100. We'll see that in Attleboro too. For your evening hours, we're going to start off in the lower 90s. 11 o'clock tonight, we're still at a hot 80 degrees. No relief in sight for us this evening. Temperatures only dropping down into the middle 70s, and we may see a little bit of patchy fog developing. 7-day forecast today and tomorrow, the hottest days of the week. The records to beat both days, 95. I have us tying that record on Wednesday. It is going to be another very hot day for us with mainly sunny skies. We will see some extra clouds around on Thursday. That chance of a shower or thunderstorm behind it. The air turns cooler, mid and upper 70s Friday and Saturday. We're going to have to watch the placement of this cold front. Some of our computer models have it stalling out near the coastline. If that is close enough to us, we may have to add an isolated or passing shower into the forecast Friday into Saturday. Right now, I'm keeping us dry, being a little optimistic that that front may push just far enough south that the rain stays away. Sunday's high near 80 degrees, and on Labor Day Monday,